Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you still using old method to shut down your PC? Why? The era has changed. In this video, I'm gonna tell you two methods. First is core method and second is rare trick. Okay, simply are you want to shut down your PC using your name? Okay, press the window plus R and type slide to shut down and suddenly a new slide window pop-ups. You try to slide down and your PC will be shut down accordingly. Okay, now we are moving toward the rare trick. First you click on this PC. After clicking this PC, then click on the C drive. After clicking the C drive, click on the Windows. After clicking the Windows, you must find to System32. Okay, yeah, where is System32? Here, yes, this is System32. Click here. After clicking here, search the slide. Search the slide and this will appear a file. You simply copy file. Okay, copy file. Once you copy, you must back and paste into your desktop. Okay, after paste it, press on the right button on this file and rename it with your desired word. When you paste it in the same file where you try to copy, okay, when you paste, press on the continue. Press continue. It will be paste here. Okay, now done. Okay, simply you can cut this all type of window and press the window and R and type your name, what you typed before, like John. Okay, when you press enter and a pop-ups window, when we try, your PC will be shut down automatically. If you really enjoyed my video, press the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much.